Good morning everyone. My name is Jashandeep Singh and this is our group assignment for operation management and our topic is operating budgets. Today we are going to talk about what exactly is a budget and why is it crucial for operation. Variances and corrective actions with examples, importance of forecasting and elements to be considered prior to forecasting with examples. Types of budgets in hospitality operations and what are important steps in budgeting and who is responsible for it. So first we are going to talk about budgeting. A budget is a tool for keeping track of our income and expenses. A key component of total success and security is budget creation. Budgeting enables us to monitor and more clearly comprehend whether a company generates enough income to cover its cost. We can make more sensible financial decisions by using a budget. For instance, I will be able to determine how much I can afford to spend if I want to hire a new employee, if I know how much money I have made and spent each week for the past few months. And further, we are going to discuss the importance of budget. Why budget is important in operations. With a budget, we can set both immediate and long-term objectives for our organization as well as we can monitor sales, costs and cash flow and reduce spending to prevent overspending. And we can be ready for peak times and shadow bombs and as well as keep a record of organization finances. So the variances in operation budgeting is a variation happens when costs such as labor or income are either more or lower than what the company had planned and budgeted. Variances may occur in occupancy rate, material costs, labor costs, or check sizes of hospitality business like hotels and restaurants. To pinpoint the precise extent to which these variations have affected sales and profitability, variations are studied. For example, with 4,500 meals expected to be served and a $25 average check size, then restaurant projected income would be $1,12,500. Restaurant's earnings would be $90,000 if only serve 3,000 meals and the typical check size is $30. The variance is the discrepancy between the revenue we anticipated and the revenue we actually received. A negative revenue variance of $22,500 would result in the situation restaurant will get a positive revenue variance. It is if its actual revenue ended up being higher than expected. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Manpit Kaur. Today in this video I'm going to explain corrective actions, various analysis. Owners and managers in the hospitality sector can use various analysis to determine the corrective course of action for resolving issues before they significantly reduce profitability. Without conducting a various analysis to determine precisely what occurred and why, they cannot decide whether to fix the variance by increasing rates, locating a more cheaper supplier, reducing labor expenses, or increasing occupancy rates. The last one is the owner or management can find out the what caused the variance using various variance analysis. For example, our various analysis would be performed if a hotel anticipated expenditure to reach $50,000 but actually spent $55,000. A variation in any of these parameters may have contributed to the variance of the hotel's estimated have been passed on renting $10,000 rooms at the rate of $10 per hour with an expected cleaning time of 30 minutes. If the result of the study show that hotel hired the same number of room as anticipated and received the same hourly rate as anticipated, the discrepancy can only have arisen because the room required more than 30 minutes to clean. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Harleen Kaur. Today I am going to discuss about the importance of forecasting in restaurant. So, accurate restaurant forecasting supports staff scheduling, inventory control, menu analysis, customer satisfaction, profitability, and so many other functions. First is profit prediction. A restaurant forecast eliminates the amount of income the company will bring in over a specific period of time. From this figure, fixed cost can be subtracted along with the demand-based variable costs like inventory or labor, leaving you with the estimate of the restaurant profit. Once all the expenses are paid for, the profit estimation can be help you in prepare for the future plans for our restaurant, such as staffs recruiting, promotions, decreasing turnover, forthcoming restaurant improvement, even extended your business in other areas. Second is inventory control. Sales forecasting is essential for effective inventory management. One of the most unnecessary yet preventable expense is restaurant may incur is wasted inventory. We can utilize sales forecasting to determine how many chicken wraps will be sold during the dinner shift on the Tuesday or even Tuesday in October by using the historical data. Next is service in restaurant properly. Nobody wants to be informed that their preferred food is unavailable. Restaurant forecasting can also enhance operation and service standard. Knowing how busy the restaurant will be can help its staff appropriately. Reducing wait time for the customer and increasing table turnover. One on the other hand, it can be also warn us when we can be overstaffed or we can manage our labor expenditure for our country. So the next topic is the key elements prior to the forecasting. The first one is the study historical fact. Consider some sales information from the same period in the previous few years, even a day, a week, or a month, or entire season. Based on the current trends, adjust compare the sales figure from the beginning of the current year to those of the prior comparative time period. For instance, that we are making a projection for the month of the September. So we discovered the sales from the June through August were 5% for the same month the year before. According to that reasoning, you would be a 5% rise from September sales from the previous year. Think about the outside forces, taking into the account unusual occurrence like holidays, occasions, weather fluctuation in the market. Think about the trends. Any recent variables such as change in the supply or demands may affect our sales prediction positively or negatively. Be more specific to better plan for inventory ordering and staff scheduling. Segment the sales predictions by menu item based on the past data. Now there are some types of the budget which will be further discussed by my other groupmate.
Hi, this is Gaurav and I'm going to discuss about different types of budget. There are three kinds of budgets: revenue budget, expense budget, and capital budget. The revenue budget is prepared by the marketing department, which illustrates the sales from rooms, banqueting, restaurants, travel desk, and laundry, etc. The expense budget is prepared by the departments related with marketing, front desk, housekeeping, engineering, and human resource. The capital budget is prepared separately for big expenditure in terms of investments such as lifts, generator, kitchen equipment. They are passed as per the available funds or through the loans approved. Moving ahead, the management committee is responsible for the hotel's budget handling, and each department had prepared the budget in their particular division, and the financial controller takes the decision in terms of budget approval, and that decision is the final decision. There are various steps in budget process. This diagram indicates about the budget process. Different steps related to budget process are analyzing the financial funds and calculating the cost and all kind of expenses,
Moreover, the objectives should be clear to be targeted upon. Constructive strategy must be made to approve a definite budget, and budget development is monitored in the end. Now I would like to call Rajveer to present the further part.
Hello everyone, my name is Rajveer Kaur and now I'm going to talk about operational action plan for a hotel. First point is it serves as a guide, and operation plan templates can be both used one on a operational plan or as a guide for making one. And the second is providing details on what that content should be. If you don't know what to write in a certain part or item in an operational plan, then you can check out similar templates and get some ideas, and that can help you from it. And next is offer a complete set of information. Templates are ready-made documents that can make sure that all are necessary and small details included in it, and they are all completed. They are done by professionals and received many times, so there should be no missing items in it. And last point is including specific step on how to get a task done. Operational plans not only describe tasks that need to be done, but it also provides the specific step on how to get them done correctly. And in the next slide, there are some references for our content which we use in our PPT. So thank you guys.